Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to grease up your caliper pins real quick. So I already did the brakes, but I figured I would come back and show you how to grease up the caliper pins. You got these two bolts. I already took this one out. You got one bolt here and one bolt there, holding the caliper onto the caliper bracket. I got this one out. We're just gonna do one at a time so we don't gotta take the caliper off. And we just move this ear right here to the side so we can get to the slide pin here. Here's a slide pin. See all that old grease on it. We're just gonna clean it up and put new grease on it. And it needs to be a silicone-based grease, silicone-based brake grease. If you use petroleum-based grease, it will make this boot deteriorate. It'll get holes in it, you get moisture in your brakes, it'll cause a lot of problems. This needs to be a silicone-based brake grease. And I like to use Seal Glide. There's different brands, but Seal Glide works good for me. Remember, brake grease withstands high temperatures because brakes generate a lot of heat. So silicone-based brake grease to take the heat and to not turn to liquid and run out of here, and to save the boot. But anyway, let's get this cleaned up and we'll get our new grease on it. All right, we got our pin cleaned up. You can just use a rag or whatever. And now, all right, sorry about that. But anyway, I just got some Q-tips here. And you can just take your Q-tip in the rubber boot here and just go around like this and get out all that old grease. Just like that. Sorry, there we go. And a couple Q-tips, that should be good. And then we'll apply our new grease here in just a second. All right, we got our pin lubed up here. Now we're just gonna stick it back in. You can even put a little lube in the boot if you want, as well as the pin. Not a lot though, because you can over grease. You don't want to put too much grease in there. Just a good thin layer, not too thin, you know, right in the middle, you know. And just stick it back in here. There it is. You see, that's how it works right there when you press your brakes. In and out with the caliper. I'll move our ear back. Move our ear back. Put your bolt in, tighten it up, and then do your bottom one. And that's it. And put your tire back on. Make sure you torque your tire. You know, there's probably a lot of you that don't know how to read a torque wrench. I might do a video on that. But there you have it. That's how you grease your caliper pins. Very important part of doing a brake job. Until next time.